Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of unblocking a user on Facebook using your PC. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open Facebook by launching your preferred web browser and visiting the Facebook website. Step 2. Click on your profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings and Privacy. Step 4. In the Settings and Privacy menu, click on Settings. Step 5. On the left-hand side, click on Privacy. Step 6. Now, click on Blocking. Step 7. Next to block users, click on the Edit button. Step 8. Click on See Your Blocked List. Step 9. Find the name of the user you wish to unblock and click on Unblock next to their name. Step 10. Finally, click on Confirm to complete the unblocking process. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to unblock a user on Facebook using your PC. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay up to date with more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.